We're about 2 weeks away from the investment summit that South Africa is set to put forward. Of course, we just had a job summit not so long ago, but now getting foreign direct investment is going to be very critical, and how exactly that's going to be put forward is going to be very, very key for South Africa in order not just boost the financial sector and boost unemployment in the country, but also to find a way to get more money in order to aid our suffering revenue sources as well. So let's take a look, however, at how the JSE fares when foreigners take a look at buying into South Africa. As you can see, it's been a little bit topsy-turvy. This is year to date. And let's remember that those numbers are in billions. So just around $2 billion, 2 billion rands, shall I say, has been lost on the JSE when it comes to stocks. So meaning that foreigners are actually selling on a net basis when it comes to the JSE stocks. Not as enterprising as one would hope. As you can see, very few weeks this year that have seen positive buying by foreigners on the JSE. A little bit of a scary picture when you consider that South Africa is meant to be one of those proxies for the emerging market stocks, but it tells you the sentiment across this year. We had a lot of emerging market buy-in towards the end of last year as some positivity came through with Ramaphoria, but that has seemingly faded off. And as you can see, that mark is still there, trading at around 4 billion rand in negative territory, so net selling towards the close of August. So all that data, as you can see, really, really important and really signifies just where South Africa sits when it comes to investment. The key element here is to become enterprising, is to become sufficiently responsive to how investors would like to see the country, making sure that things like policies are certainly looked after, everything from the mining charter, of course, right through to telecoms. And I had a discussion with the Minister of Telecommunications and Postal Services, Siyabonga Cwele, as well, about making sure that the regulation follows through. So those sort of elements will certainly help impact foreign direct investment into South Africa. The $100 billion mark for Cyril Ramaphosa is not impossible, but certainly requires a lot of hard work as we head to that investment summit on around the 26th of October.
Thanks, Arabi.